Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin with necessary privileges and the built-in reset tool. First, make sure you're signed into an administrator account and close the Microsoft Store. Once done, press Start, type WS Reset, EXE, then right-click and choose Run as Administrator. This launches the Store Cache Reset utility, which clears temporary files without uninstalling apps. Wait patiently. A blank command prompt window may open and close automatically. This step addresses most cache corruption quickly and prepares the system for deeper cleanup if needed. If WS Reset didn't finish or the store still misbehaves, move to Targeted Cleanup. Open Settings and check App's optional features to remove recent store-related updates if they block launching. Next, run PowerShell as administrator and use commands to reset or reinstall the Microsoft Store package. This repairs corrupted app registrations. Also clear user temp files via Win+R, type %temp%, and delete safe items to free space and remove stale cache entries. These steps complete the process by restarting Windows to finalize registry and package changes, then open the Microsoft Store and reinstall any apps you need. If you still see errors, sign out and sign back into your Microsoft account and try a different network. Sometimes authentication or connectivity causes failures. Finally, run Windows Update and System File Checker with sfc/scanno to repair system files. If a specific error code appears, note it and use logs. That information speeds targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.